How to reactivate Roblox account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if your Roblox account has been deactivated or banned and you want to reactivate it, this video will guide you through the process. So follow the steps carefully until the end. First of all, you need to open a web browser and then search for Roblox support in the search bar. You will come across various websites from where simply tap on Roblox support, that is the initial option over here. Once you do that, you will be taken to a contact us form where you need to enter the correct form of your contact information, including your username, your first name, your email address, and then again confirm the email address that is associated with your account and choose your issue details. First of all, select the device that you're having problem on and then select the help category and simply describe the issue in this box. Politely explain that your account was hacked and deactivated without your consent. Request a prompt response with a solution. And after submitting, you should wait for 24 to 48 hours for a response regarding the deactivation. If your account is banned for more than 48 hours and you prefer not to wait, you can try another approach. Refresh the support page to start over and fill in your information again. And this time, when you click on Please Select, choose Technical Support instead of account hacked. You can then select any option below that seems relevant. Describe your situation in the description box, stating that the ban was a mistake and requesting assistance. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.